Hi guys, Ivan here. In this little tutorial I want to explain how to visit internet websites with different source IP addresses. So what is my current IP address? So this is my currently source IP address. So whenever I visit the web internet, this web IP address will be seen as the source in the log files of a web server. Now I want to change my source IP address. So let's say we have a server that is limited to IP addresses in the US or in Asia or wherever, or if I have a server that is blocking my IP address after 10 unsuccessful attempts, there is a demand for switching the IP address regularly. So to do this, I use proxychains and Tor. So let me install the two tools, proxychains and Tor. As these two tools are already installed, I'm good to go. So the configuration of the proxychains is proxychains.conf. As you can see, this is the Tor server. So proxychains is a tool, a client tool to proxify any tool that is not able to send proxy requests. So currently the Tor proxy is not running. If I want to start the Tor proxy, I run the command system control start Tor. After this, I should have a service on localhost 9050. Of course, I can now use the proxy in my curl command. So let me check. I can run curl minus a socks proxy, socks 5, this IP address, and to hit the same site as I did before, ipconfig.io. As you can see now, my source IP address has changed. Curl is a command that is proxy enabled, but what if you have a tool that is not capable of being sending proxy requests? And for this, we can use, instead of the socks configuration in the command itself, we can run proxychain and use the curl command. And as you can see, I have the same IP address. And now the difference is you can use any command. It could be Hydra, brute forcing tool, nmap, or whatever tool, or netcat. Whatever tool you want to try, if you add the proxychain command in front of a command, it will automatically proxify the requests for you. Okay, now what is the procedure to change the IP address? So let me check again. I run the proxychain. I have this IP address, and it will last until a new circuit, Tor circuit, will get calculated. But eventually, if I want to change my source IP address after, let's say, 10 requests, to do so, you can run the following command. You search the PID, the process ID of the Tor proxy, and you kill the proxy. And in the next request, I will get a different IP address. So I kill it again and run it again. So, and using this technique, I can send requests from different IP addresses for every request. So to summarize, so if there is a server that has, let's say, failed to ban security measurements, that means if I try to online crack a service and the service blocks my source IP address after 10 unsuccessful attempts, one can use the proxy chains in combination with the Tor network and to create new circuits for every 10 connections, and to have an unlimited number of attempts to service that is blocking source IP addresses. Okay, that's for now. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.